This recipe is going to give you a completely new experience with chicken. It is a real flavor bomb that you and your family will love so much. They will ask you to do it again and again. Before we start, let me show you the weather conditions tonight. It is freezing cold out here, so if you enjoy this kind of grilling, please like and subscribe. Welcome to Grill Master. Tonight, I'm showing you a new method for grilled chicken skewers, packed with flavor, colorful, and probably not something you've tried before. It's super fast, easy. First of all, for this recipe, we need chicken. I recommend using chicken legs, especially the upper part, because they're more flavorful and tender. Then we're going to need some peppers. I'm choosing different colors for a reason, and I'll explain why in a minute. Up next, mushrooms, a few tomatoes, a zucchini, and a lemon. Simple stuff. I also set aside some saffron in hot water and let it rest for about 10 minutes. It's optional, totally up to you. And of course, some spices, SPG, salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. Simple enough, right? Now, let's cut the chicken into the right sizes. If a piece is big like this one, cut it in half. If it's smaller, just leave it as it is. This is the size we're looking for. Now I've cut all the chicken to the size we want. I'm seasoning it with SPG, salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. How much you add is totally up to you. Everyone's taste is different. Now squeeze the lemon. We want all that juice. Make sure you get as much as possible, because it really gives the chicken a nice, fresh flavor. Now the saffron kicks in. It's totally optional. It's really up to you. But I do recommend trying it at least once, just so you can taste the difference. Keep mixing until all the spices and the saffron, or any spices or sauce you like, are well combined. Cover it up and place it in the fridge for now. At the beginning, I mentioned I'm using different colors of peppers for a reason. They add more flavor and more color to the chicken skewers. They'll go on the skewer and onto the grill at the same time. Now I'm cutting them. This is the size you want, exactly as you see in the video. Same process for the zucchini. I'm cutting it into round pieces. Cut the tomatoes in half, and only in half. You'll see why later. I've already skewered the mushrooms and tomatoes, which is why I cut the tomatoes in half. Small pieces won't stay on the skewer. Now it's time to skewer everything. Trust me, this chicken is going to be incredibly delicious. Every bite will taste a little different. This is exactly how you skewer the chicken. One piece of pepper, one piece of chicken. Then another piece of pepper, try to change the pepper color each time to add more color and flavor. Now add a piece of zucchini and repeat that process until the skewer is almost full, as shown in the video. Look how colorful and delicious they look. Honestly, they already look good enough to eat. Trust me, once you try this recipe, you'll want to make it again and again. Everything is ready. The grill is at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's start grilling. As I mentioned before, I'm grilling in harsh winter conditions. It's freezing out here, minus 18 degrees. If you enjoy this, don't forget to like and subscribe. After about 20 minutes, flipping the skewers several times, they're ready. You can grill them to your own taste, well done or juicy. It's up to you. I prefer them juicy. Now everything is ready. Let's take a look at the results. Look how delicious they look. I promise every bite is packed with flavor, and each one tastes a little different. That's the end of this video. If you enjoy this kind of recipe and new cooking methods, check out the other videos on my channel. See you in the next one.